Hey everyone, welcome to my channel, The Stock Analyst. So this video is on ticker symbol PTPI, which is for Petros Pharmaceuticals. And if you look at the screen here, you can see last Friday it was up 14% and after hour it was up another 4.78%. In total almost 19%. And why it is very exciting? Because last Friday was really bad. It was a half day trading after the Thanksgiving, and also because of the new COVID fear, everything tanked down. Look at the SPY, it came down a lot. Not only SPY, like if you look across the market, everyone was red, red and red. But PTPI is really looking nice, 19% up last Friday. So in this particular video, I want to talk about mostly about the information, why it looks so bullish, what is the chart looking like, support, resistance, the pattern, short interest ratio, and few other things. Mostly I want to talk if it runs on Monday. And if you find this video useful, please do not forget to hit the like button and also do not forget to subscribe to my channel. So just looking at PTPI, this is Friday, 19%. If I go back last 5 days, you can see it was moving flat. It was around 1.37. Then it moved all the way to 2.82, 2.9 area, came down. And after that again a big drop, and now slowly it is going back up, currently over $2 area. And while I'm talking about the areas, I like to trade with support resistance. As an example, last Friday, even though the market was bad, we did some trading for BFRI. Since the alert, it ran almost 45%, ISBC almost like 49%. So why I'm so excited is mostly because on the Reddit side, because when you go there, people are comparing this with ISBC and also with LGVN, and they're saying PTPI will run in the same way. So first of all, I want to show you ISBC, how this thing has been running. So in few days, you can see this stock was around $5, $6, $7. Then it had a massive move from $6, let's say from $6 all the way to $25, almost 4 times. If you look at LGVN, definitely there is a news, but look at the run up. It was around $3, $4. Then it went all the way to $45, 10, 12%. One very important thing is this stock, these tickers are low float stocks. So when a stock has a very low float, they can run really high. If there is enough volume, they can move a lot. So that is a very important thing. And anyway, if you like to get this kind of trade ideas with support, resistance, pre-market, market hour, I invite you to join my Discord so that you can get the daily trade alert, so that we can all make some money. Become a patron, get access to my Discord, and let's make money together. Same thing, if there is no Discord, you can also join my YouTube community. Just click on the join button and become a community member. So this is the PTPI chart. You can see it went to 3.86 on a daily chart, right? And each candle is a daily chart. It came down, the RSI became all the way to 34. Look at the MACD, it's a big red, and after that there is some reversal, right? From like 1.2, the next day it went almost $3. So nice thing, very volatile, moving up and down, but looking at the RSI, looks like it is going up. Looking at the daily MACD, you see this thing is curling up. So I will come back to the chart, but before that, let's see something. So if I look at the price, which is the blue line, and the yellow bars are the volume, you can see when it popped a lot in November 1st, huge volume, like 279 million volume, and again no volume at all. Again another big push with a 91 million volume. So it needs volume to move. The parabolic move, it needs volume. Regarding short interest, one important thing is you can see at one point there was no short, no shares were available to short, right? You can see some 000, then some short, maybe they have covered, and you see now there are some shares are available to short. But the interesting thing is if you look at the borrow fee rate, 123%, very, very high. If I go to Fintel, let's see, okay, the Fintel is saying 8.6% and the dark pool ratio is 56%. Not very interesting, but the most important thing, let's focus here. So PTPI, currently the short interest ratio is 31.84%, which is really nice. And see the borrow fee rate. So the average cost to borrow is 251% with a high of 470%, meaning that each and every day the shorts, they are paying a lot of interest just because of shorting this. So as long the short interest is going higher and more volume is coming, so if we consider all of this, there is always a potential for a short squeeze. And don't forget, recently it moved from 1.2 all the way to $3, so doubling your money in one day. Also, currently, as per the post, zero shares are available to short. The market cap is very small, only 27.48 million, and the float is very small, also 4 to 5 million float only. Last week the volume was 106 million, meaning that it was traded at a 20 times more volume, more ratio, right? So more volume. That is why it was running a lot. So anyway, I can go to Finviz and check these numbers, but I think these numbers are very close, right? So, and they're also thinking that many shorts are trapped below the price of 2.2 or $2 anyway. So let's go back to the chart now. Let's look what is happening. So this is the PTPI chart. So first of all, this is the daily chart, very volatile, up and down, up and down. But seems like 2.94 was always like a support, right, till August. Then it came down all the way to 1.8. At one point it came to 1.55. You can see very volatile, right? So what is happening? So 2.9 was a prior support. So all the bag holders from here, they sold their share at 2.9. That is why 2.9 to $3 was acting like a resistance. Then it came down the next day almost like 1.6, and again Friday it pushed again. You can see the volume here. So going forward, I want to look at few things. So I'm going back to an hourly chart now because there was no volume. You see small dot 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 here. Just concentrate on this area. What is happening? So very volatile. Anyway, if you're paying this particular one and if you are entering for a day trade or swing trade, always have a stop loss in place. This is first recommendation before you do anything. So just looking at here, there is a support around $2 area. So it came down below 2. It came down all the way to 1.2. Then again it popped to 2.9, but it was holding the $2 area, right? And again it came down the next day. I'm going to open the extended hour so I can show you better idea. So on Thursday, again it broke 2, came below 1.8, found a support around 1.6 area, ended the day below 1.8. Then Friday, you see a big move all the way to 2.32. So let's draw one more line here. Just wanna draw this because you see it was acting like a resistance 2.3 and also on Friday 2.3. Now the battle is, can we hold $2 area? As long we can hold $2, we see more volume, and if there is some short who were shorting the stock below $2, so these people, they will be trapped, right? So 2.1, 2.2 is not a big deal, right? Some people in Reddit, let's say I'm just talking with the same guy, $2. So anything between $2 and $2. So if we see the price action is going higher and higher with more volume, so all the people who was shorting this area, they have to cover, right? And that is why the fun will start, because then it will move towards 2.3 area. Once 2.3 is broken, I think definitely this thing will go towards 2.9 to 3 area, right? After 3, I see 3.4 and 3.9 and many more. So I'm going back to a daily chart again, just to show you how this thing can happen. So first of all, 2.93 is a very important resistance. After that, 3.4, 3.9, and maybe some area around 4.2. If you go to online, people are talking about $5, $10. I do not want to go that far, but if you move from $2 to $3 or even $4, you are just doubling your money, right? So just think about step by step. If we see more price action, then maybe we can update and make another video. But for now, if you are planning to enter, I would say look at these levels. In the case the market is terrible, it tanks, definitely 1.7, 1.8, that is one area. Otherwise, wait for these to hold $2 area. Do not just blindly jump in. See the market. If there is a dip, get in and then make the money. So anyway, I'm holding PTPI. I think I bought something around $2. it came Thursday below $2, but I'm still holding, so I might add more, or I'll just play this till $3 area. So anyway, if you like this kind of technical things like the support, resistance, and to give you more tickers, which one is popping pre-market and also popping during the market, I invite you to join my patrons so that you can become a part of my Discord family, where me and my members, they bring many new tickers. We do the charting. Always I talk about chart so that you can make your own trade knowing support, resistance. So anyway, thank you again for watching this particular video. Like the video, subscribe my channel, and let's join and make money together. Thank you again. Take care and peace.